Trusted by clients around the globe, our team is dedicated to creating next-generation open-source solutions. We follow an agile process, collaborating with our clients to fully understand their goals and turning those goals into optimal solutions. In a world full of challenges, we apply our experience and knowledge to moving countries, cities, and communities forward. By choosing the best cloud technologies, we create sophisticated, high-quality projects designed to save time, reduce both OpEx and CapEx, and lead your organization to success. From open-source consultancy and custom software development to full implementation of a cloud strategy, here at Keitaro, we turn your ideas into best-of-breed solutions. Keitaro is the global partner of choice.